Have you ever seen something that made you stop and take notice? That's precisely what happened when Hollywood released the trailer for the horror film Smile. The marketing team behind this movie hit a home run when they planted actors behind home plate at Major League Baseball games across the country. This was indeed an unconventional move worth taking a closer look at. The filmmakers wanted to ensure their movie got noticed, so they used a guerrilla marketing strategy. Guerrilla marketing? No, not guerrilla marketing, guerrilla marketing. This term was popularized by Jay Conrad Levinson's 1984 book, Guerilla Marketing. So what is guerrilla marketing? Guerrilla marketing is an unconventional form of advertising that relies on surprise tactics and creativity instead of traditional methods like television commercials or print ads. It usually involves low-cost activities like street art, flash mobs, viral videos, and social media campaigns designed to create buzz around your brand. Okay, back to Smile. The movie advertisers put actors in bright yellow and blue shirts and had them stand behind home plate during several MLB games throughout the summer. It was definitely an unexpected move, and one that worked. Not only did people in attendance take notice of these strange figures, but those watching on TV also spotted them. And since they were wearing bright yellow shirts with "Smile" written on them, it was impossible to miss. Why did it work? This move worked because it was unexpected and eye-catching. People were intrigued by these strange figures standing behind home plate, even if they didn't know what was happening right away. It still caught their attention and made them curious about what was happening. Additionally, associating the film with something as beloved as America's favorite pastime, baseball, created an emotional connection between the movie and its potential audience. Plus, having these figures stand out from everyone else in attendance created an element of mystery that further piqued people's curiosity and made them want to learn more about this mysterious movie called Smile. It was a genius move that caught everyone's attention and created a buzz around the film. And you can do something similar in your own business. Take risks. To create memorable marketing campaigns, you must be willing to take risks. Think outside the box and try something unexpected. For example, why not pass out flyers at sporting events if you own a small clothing store in a college town? Or host an event at your store during one of those big rivalry games. You'll reach potential customers who may have never heard of you and uniquely capture their attention. Be bold. When devising your next extensive marketing campaign, don't be afraid to push boundaries and challenge expectations. The Smile team did just that by planting actors behind home plate during MLB games. It was an unorthodox approach that paid off big time. Be strategic. Remember that effective marketing relies on strategy as much as creativity. Before launching any campaign, ask yourself, who is my target audience? What channels should I use to reach them? How can I measure success? Answering these questions will help you ensure that your campaigns are as successful as possible and provide valuable insights so you can improve upon them over time. The marketing team behind Smile deserves credit for coming up with such an innovative way to promote their movie. This strategy worked because it was unexpected and eye-catching. Remember that whatever you decide to do should be creative, yet still relevant to your product or service. Before you run your first guerrilla marketing campaign, be sure to watch our 10 advertising disasters and what we can learn from them video. And don't make the same mistakes these advertisers did. If you found this video useful, make sure to like it. If you want to learn more about how to get started on growing your business and learn about marketing strategies, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.